Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of the same old boring snacks? Do you find yourself reaching for those processed, flavorless disasters? Well, get ready to elevate your snack game because today, we're diving headfirst into 6 quick and easy snacks that will make you feel like a culinary genius. We're talking explosions of flavor, textures that will make you weep with joy, and all with minimal effort. You listening? Good, let's get started. We're kicking things off with a classic, but don't think for a minute that this is boring. Grab your favorite yogurt, none of that low-fat rubbish, and spoon a generous dollop into a glass. Now, we need some freshness, some life. A handful of vibrant, juicy berries will do the trick. Finally, for that satisfying crunch, a sprinkle of granola. There you have it, a symphony of textures and flavors. Next up, we're tackling a crowd-pleaser, mini pizza bites. Grab some mini bagels or English muffins. These will be our little rafts of flavor. Now, for the sauce, none of that bottled nonsense. A good quality marinara is all you need. Sprinkle on a generous helping of cheese, the more the merrier, I say. Now, let your imagination run wild with toppings. Pop them in the oven until the cheese is molten and bubbling. Get ready for a flavor fiesta with these loaded nachos. First, create a base of tortilla chips. Now let's talk toppings. We need a mountain of cheese, a scattering of black beans for some earthiness, some fiery jalapenos for a kick, and a handful of diced tomatoes for freshness. Into the oven they go until the cheese is melted and gooey. But we're not done yet. A dollop of cool sour cream and some creamy guacamole to finish. Now, don't think I've forgotten about those of you who think you're above a good snack. This isn't rabbit food, you hear me? Slice up some crisp carrots, refreshing cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. And for the love of all that is holy, use a decent hummus. None of that bland, tasteless muck. This is a snack fit for a king, I tell you. This next one is a classic for a reason. Slice a banana into rounds, and don't you dare use an overripe banana. It'll be a mushy mess. Now grab your favorite peanut butter, the good stuff. None of that artificial rubbish. Spread a generous layer onto each banana slice, and sandwich it with another slice. There you have it, a match made in heaven. For our final act, we're going back to basics. Choose your favorite cheese, and don't be afraid to get adventurous. A sharp cheddar, a creamy brie, the possibilities are endless. Pair it with a selection of crackers, something with a bit of bite. Now, for a touch of sweetness, add some juicy grapes or crisp apple slices. This, my friends, is how you snack in style. There you have it, you lot. 6 easy snack recipes that will blow your taste buds away. No more excuses for boring, bland snacks. You now have the tools to impress your friends, your family, even yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary inspiration, and remember, cooking is about passion, creativity, and a whole lot of flavor. Now go forth and snack like the culinary rock stars you are.